things you ought to know. This is Sally. No, that's not Sally. That's an adorable doggy. No, that's not Sally either. That's a salad. Oh, there's Sally, bright-eyed and ready for the day. But wait, Sally looks like she's got a problem. What's the matter, Sally? Something got you down? It looks like Sally wants to apply for a job. Look, she's got a resume all ready to send. But what's this? The job posting is asking for a cover letter? What's that, Sally? What's a cover letter, and how do you draft such an impeccable correspondence that maximizes the possibility of you being hired, you ask? Well, Sally, the very concept of the cover letter dates to between the 14th and 17th century. The very first cover letter was written by a fine young chap named Leonardo da Vinci, the same inventor who brought us such beloved inventions as the helicopter, the scything chariot, and the turtle. What's that, Sally? You want to know what's in a cover letter? Well, strap in, because this lunar capsule of knowledge is about to launch. A cover letter is a document that outlines your credentials and interests in the job opening. A good cover letter complements your resume and explains why you are the ideal candidate for that job. Unlike the resume, a cover letter helps the employer understand who you are as a professional and as a person. Your personality, your passion, your achievements, your aspirations, your cultural fit, all in one page. That's right, Sally. All that in one page. Be concise and clear. What's that, Sally? Still not clear what's in her cover letter? Well, saddle up and let's write one together. This may blow your mind, Sally, but there is no set format for a cover letter. But don't you fret, Sally. There are certain things that are expected to appear. Your contact information, so the employer may know how to reach out to you. You address the letter to hiring manager, their designation and company name. That's right, Sally. You want to personalize the letter rather than be generic. A quick helpful tip. Make sure you have the right names and spelling. If you do not know their names, then simply say, "to whom it may concern," and be on your merry way. A cover letter is an extension of your resume. It's important because a perfect resume may be overlooked by a poorly written cover letter. Ready, Sally? Let's write a home run cover letter. There are 3 paragraphs. Start with a formal greeting followed by a strong, brief introduction. Reiterate the job you are applying for and where you found the job listing. In the second paragraph, you should explain why you are interested in the job and why you are the perfect fit. If you have a relevant example to share, do that. But be brief. No one likes a rambling Randy. Right, Sally? In the last and third paragraph, reiterate your interest in the organization and thank them for their time. The cover letter is also a good opportunity to mention anything that is not in your resume. For example, you can qualify your achievements and accolades. All done, Sally? No, you are not. The most important step before you finish drafting your cover letter is to proofread it. You do not want to send it ahead with spelling mistakes and errors, do you, Sally? Once done, slap a professional sign-off such as "regards sincerely" or "all the best" on the bottom with your full formal name. And there you have it, Sally. A fresh, new, shiny cover letter. Now you're ready to apply for that job. Oh, you're welcome, Sally. And that's another episode of The Things You Ought to Know.